Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum Wr.Wb.
Hello guys, introduce me Sayyid Muhammad Hasyim and my partner.
Hello guys, my name is Jaya.
We are both from grade 12 Science 2, and we will give a presentation on how to make an omelet.
This is a school project, Procedur, Vidio.
And my teacher is Mr. Ali Muttaqin.
Okay guys, let's just make it. First, prepare the cooking utensils and ingredients. The ingredients and cooking utensils needed are 3 eggs, salt, coconut oil to taste, bowl, spoon, and pan. Second, how to make it. Break the egg into a bowl. Add salt to taste. Stir until evenly distributed. Next, we will fry the eggs. Put a little cooking oil into the prepared pan. Wait until the cooking oil gets hot. After the cooking oil is hot, put the eggs and cook until cooked. Finally, the eggs are cooked, served, and ready to eat. If you find mistakes we made in this video, please correct and forgive us. Thank you for watching, and wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.